Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone had a happy and safe Memorial Day weekend. A lot of things opened up that weekend, and I'm glad to see that people are out and about. Just remember, wear those masks, stay 6 feet away. You know, I do work at a hospital. I can't stress that enough. But out for another day on the road glide. If you haven't checked out my video last week, I gave you 5 reasons why I loved my 2020 road glide. Today on the channel, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why I hate my new 2020 road glide. Number 1, I got rid of it right away once I got the bike, was the seat. The seat was terrible. When I first got the bike, I did about 300 miles on it. Loved it, loved it. Every mile I loved, but my butt didn't. 300 miles and my butt was sore. It hurt. I mean, couldn't even put a nice seat on the bike. I had to switch it out, which I did. I switched it out to a Lucky Dave's touring seat, which feels so much better on the rear end now, and it has a little bit of back support, so I can't complain about it now. But I hated it in the beginning. Now you want to say 300 miles wasn't a lot, but it was enough to notice that my butt was hurting. Number 2 has to be these handlebars. I feel like sometimes I am just driving a beach cruiser down the boardwalk, which isn't a bad thing, but in the right setting. I feel like my wrists are at an awkward angle, and it just feels a little awkward. I haven't changed them yet, but we'll see what I do with those. I'm not sure what I want to do yet. Number 3 had to be the little windshield they had on the front of the shark nose. Now look, I'm only 5'6". I could reach the ground with this bike, no problem. But that little windshield was blasting me with wind right in the face once I got the bike. I had to change it right away. That was another thing I changed right away. And I don't understand, I don't know how guys that are 6 foot plus ride this bike and not complain about that. That's one of the first things people take off this, is that little rinky-dink windshield they have. Number 4, it has to be the lights on here. The lights on this bike, they still run halogen signals. Halogen signals. Not even LEDs, nothing. I pay close to $30,000 for this bike, and you can't even give me LEDs on this? So that's why I went a little crazy on the LEDs. I changed out the front signals, the back signals. I put bagger blades from Zero 3D. I put the fang lights on the front from Zero 3D. And you could see me now at night. You could see me braking. I mean, come on. I get 2 little red rinky-dink lights on the back. So if I jam on the brakes, the person behind me is not going to see me with these little red lights on the back. So I had to upgrade the lights, especially if you're doing night riding, man. You got to be seen. I know you got to be heard too, but you got to be seen. And so number 5 has to be the engine. Don't get me wrong. Last week I did say it was one of the things I loved, but it's one of the things I hated. When I first got the bike, I put 300 miles on it, and I just felt it was lacking. Especially for a big bike that it was. Just lacking. And after I put a stage 1 in it, yeah, it came alive. You know, they tuned it a little bit for you. I understand you got to follow EPA regulations, but I mean, come on. You could put some more power into this bike and not deal with and still deal with the EPA stuff. Sorry, my mic and shit is falling, and I don't know what to do right now. Oh, there it is. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that today, guys. Somewhat gloomy day today, but you know what? Got out there, the road today. I gave you a couple reasons why I really don't like this bike, but you know, a couple modifications, you'll be happy with it. I did, and I can't complain. So please hit subscribe. If you haven't checked out my last video, please check it out. Also, click that bell button if you want to be notified when I upload new videos. Also throw a comment down below. Honestly, tell me how I'm doing with my channel. I know I'm still new at this thing, but hope we grow, and I hope I show you a lot more places where I'm about to go. See ya.